Yo guys, what's up? What's happening to another video and some more, nothing really. Again, today we've just been doing, I got this thing online. What it is, I got it for £15, and what it is it's literally a whole box of legendary and stuff Pokemon cards. They're just really, I'm pretty sure they're really good ones, I don't know, but let's go and get into it. So, you want to see what it looks like in there? Okay. So, not like energy cards or anything. Alright. So, I'm going to start off with. So, I'm going to start off with. We're starting off with a Malamar EX. He's okay, I guess. I don't know. Really, I'm not a very good person, but okay, come on. Second, we do have Lapras GX. I'm pretty sure he's really good. He has quite good attacks. We do have Giratina, and he's all ripped and he's not in very good shape though. I don't remember why. But we do have a Mega Blastoise there. Really good. Next we have Primarina or something. I'm not very good at the names. She's really good, I can just tell by the card. Then we have Metagross. Really good. Okay. All of these I think are really good, except these Pikachus. Extremely bad damage, bad health. Would die easily. But I did get traded them by someone, so I did take it. Then we have Umbreon, whatever. So, yeah. Then we have... Okay, wrong way. Then we do have Mega Charizard EX. That is really good. I've been waiting to get a Mega Charizard EX. We have a Glaceon. Not a very good one, I don't think. There is a better one, which I hope that I get. But you can get duplicates in there. We do get... whoever that is. Gramshos. Oh my god, I'm going to have to put these back in the thing. Salazar. Okay. Have them. Another Umbreon. Okay. Pangoro. Is he? I don't know if he's good. Because if he isn't, the one I've seen there. Komoro or something. Ninetales. I used him in battle against my friend Billy. We have Mega Pidgeot. I use him against Billy too. Me and him are really strong. I'm pretty sure with our Pokemon. Then we do have Drampa GX. And then we have another Ninetales or something. With 2 duplicates or something now. Oh, would you look at that? He is not in very... Why feel he's not in good shape? But this one is all taped up. But it is another Mega Charizard. This time it is another EX card. Next card we do have... Yeah, I knew it. Another Glaceon and the better one. And now we're on to the last 4 cards. First one, we have... Halteriasa. That's a voice crack, I don't know why that happened. Thunderous or something. Another taped up one. I got sent these by someone, that's why. Not very good in shape. Oh, 2 very good cards. We did get a Mewtwo and an Incineroar in our last 2 cards. So that was our last 2 cards. They were pretty good. All of these were pretty good. I can't believe I got those though. Those are only for £13. Very cheap. But that's the end of the video. It's a very short one. I just wanted to show you all those cards which I got. Could have got more, but we didn't. But yeah, if you want to get this, you can only get it on eBay. There's only like 56 more of them, so hurry up and go and get some. Bye.